Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for your family. My name is Rajeshwan. So we are exploring or we are in the series of creating all the AWS resources using Terraform. In our previous video, we have gone through the creation of key pair, VPC, subnet with the private and public subnets followed by the route table, and also we have created an internet gateway. Now today video is all about how can we create a security group. So security group is like a firewall that is get attached to the EC2 instance network interface, that is the ENI. ENI is for elastic network interface. So we can have the network interface attached to the EC2 instance so that we can control the ingress and the egress traffic. That means inbound and the outbound traffic which is hitting to our EC2 instance. So this is the code and this is the resource keyword. We are using this AWS security group resource to create the security group. I just named this is for the internal name, and the actual name this is DFU SG. That is the our name of the security group is DFU SG, and you see this is the tag I'm using. So in the console you can able to see the actual name is DFU SG, and this security group we are going to attach this to the our existing VPC that we have created in our previous video. So if you see AWS VPC, my VPC.id, that is getting attached to AWS VPC dot my underscore hyphen VPC.id. The edge is going to attach to this VPC ID, and we are controlling the traffic ingress traffic, that is the incoming traffic. We are allowing 22 port number, that is SSH port number from the 0.0, that means anywhere in the world. And also we are, since this is a demo, I'm just again I can able to do get my public IP. I can only allow this one. We can control the flow. I'm just giving this because this is a demo instance, okay? But in production environment this should be specific subnets or specific IPs, okay? And ingress also I'm going to allow 80 port because I'm going to deploy a Nginx web page that will be deployed into the EC2 instance. So we are using here 22 for the SSH and 80 for the HTTP port access. And also egress traffic, this will be by default 0.0.0/20. And now I'm going to execute this one, that is our usual git command, git add dot and git commit -m, and I'm just updating sg.tf updated. Okay, you can just give a meaningful name so that it will be get tracked in that message. So if you see, we have only added or committed, actually I have created two files. One is the sg.tf, this is for the security group, and also I have created terraform.sh. so what is this file? So in our previous video we have executed the terraform plan, terraform apply and manually. So this I just want to avoid that one. So I have just created a shell script, that is we are going to execute set-e. That means if any error, it will just execute or stop executing the shell script and it will come out. So here I'm just inputting the terraform format -recursive. That means if, for example, if I have this code and okay, and I'm just what I'm doing here is just doing here what is the change I'm going to see. Git status, I think this is the name. Okay, just give me control this. What is the changes? I think that code got removed. Okay, anyway, so now I'm just giving diff. Okay, let me just commit this one. Get add dot. So see that one, git diff, no difference, nothing. So git commit hyphen m updater. Okay. Hyphen m. Yes. So now if I go to my terraform.sh file, so it is going to validate or format the file. For example, if I'm just going to have this one, yeah, I just move this one, so this will get formatted using the format command that we are going to see. And maybe I will just, after this one, I'm going to just sleep for 5 seconds. Okay, okay, 05. Okay, fine. After that, it will be going to validate the Terraform commands using Terraform validate. Then it's going to create a Terraform plan that it will sleep for maybe 5 seconds and followed by Terraform apply. Okay, now I'm going to just git add, and I'm going to give the git add dot and git commit, just give sh file updater. Okay, give git status. I think this was not, yeah, since I have missed hyphen m, this was not okay. Now if I give status, no. So now I'm going to just execute sh, or we can use dot slash. I'm using terraform terraform dot sh. That is a command. Such file. Why? Oh, there is a name. I have to just rename terraform dot sh. So there is a change now, right? So using this one command, I'll be just updating this one, yeah, and git status. Okay, this is not get committed again. Let me just git commit hyphen m, yeah, spaces, done. So now status nothing to commit. So now what I'm doing, sh terraform dot sh. Yes. So if you see .sh file, it's going to sleep for 5 seconds, then it will be validating, or it will be going to the next command, that is terraform validate. Then it will be going to the next command, that is terraform plan and terraform auto approve. If you see, one to change what it's saying, one to add, not one to change. So it will be going to create new security group in the AWS console. Okay, there is one change. I don't know. Once it, yeah, once it applied, let us see. There is a new security group called DFUSG, and if I go through the inbound rules, if you see HTTP, TCP 80 port and 22 for SSH, and the outbound port 0.0, that is all traffic. Yeah. So yes. So now this is apply complete. So if I just give git status, why still okay, let me commit this one again, dot net at us thing to commit, and let me push these changes. ORIGINMAI. So now all these changes will be get published into my repository. What does it mean? The new changes or the file which I just updated, go to the commit, and if you see sh file updated, you can see all the changes. Before I have just knowingly I just adjusted this one by running the terraform fmt command. This will get uh, formatted using the terraform format command. Yeah, so this is the changes. And also if I go to the SG, I have added this block, right? And now the terraform command executed successfully. We created the security groups and the ingress and egress traffic. Now the next plan is to deploy the EC2 instance, and also we need to ensure while creating the AWS EC2 resource, we are mapping this security group that we created using this demo. And also I'm going to deploy a Nginx web page that will get deployed during our EC2 instance deployment using the user data functionality in Terraform. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'm encouraging you to just go through this HTTPS DevOps for you space, and also you can leverage my GitHub repository for the by forking my existing repos, so that you can just have a hands-on experience by download that code to your local. And also click here to subscribe to my channel, and I'm encouraging you to go through all the videos and the playlist of this Terraform AWS series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.